Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This class is the class number 19 of the Blender Extreme Beginner series. In the previous class, we explored how to use the annotation tool and draw in the viewport. If anyone missed that class, they can click on the link in the description to watch that class. In today's class, we will be looking at the measurement tool in Blender. Under the annotation tool, we have the measurement tool. We can enable the measurement tool by clicking on it. Then we can click and drag in the scene to start the measurement. And the measurement will be completed up to where we release the click. When we hover the mouse cursor over it, we will see all the information about this tool, which includes instruction like drag left mouse anywhere for new measurement, like this. After that, there is written drag ruler segment to measure an angle, which means that if we are measuring something, we can click and drag on that segment to also measure an angle, like this. After that, it says X to remove the active ruler, which means that if we are taking measurements, we can press the X key to delete the active ruler. If there are multiple measurements taken, the active ruler upon pressing X will be deleted. Clicking on a ruler's point will make it active, and then we can press X to remove it. After that, it says control while dragging to snap. If I click and drag without pressing the control key, the measurement will be taken from where I clicked to where I release the click. But if I press the control key, I can snap the starting point of the measurement as well as the end point. For example, now this line is perfectly edge to edge with a measurement of 2 meters. We can also see from the dimensions here that its measurement is 2 meters. After that, it says shift while dragging to measure surface thickness, which means that if I click and drag while holding the shift key, I will get a complete measurement of the thickness on each side. Apart from the measurement tool, we can also enable all measurements. For that, we will go to edit mode, and upon clicking here, we will find the measurement options. If we enable edge length, we will see the lengths of all edges. And if we also enable face area, we will see the areas of all faces. We also have options for edge angles and face angles that we can enable if desired. This way we can use the measurement tool effectively. I hope you have understood today's class. If anyone has any question, they can ask in the comment section. We will meet again in the next class. Until then, goodbye and take care.